Ladies and gentlemen, this 13th of October is a very important day in our lives. We all need to go out and vote. Vote for the best man. And maybe if we elect the best man, we can change your lives, our lives. Will you all go out and vote?
Yes!
I can't hear you. If we elect the right person, many problems will be solved. Problems we Mumbaikars face every day. Questions that have remained unanswered will finally be answered. Questions pertaining to all aspects of life, like roads. We all want to know when the road digging will stop, right? Will our drainage systems be good enough to stop Mumbai from sinking? Forget running water. Will we at least get clean drinking water? And what are people doing about the unemployed and the people who can't make ends meet? Will our healthcare facilities be better? What about free education for all? Let's take a close look at Mumbai today and why we need a change. That's Lata and her best friend Gauri. They both live in the same basti, but neither of their homes have electricity. It's almost exam time. It's past 10:30 and it's too dark to study indoors. Lata has an idea. She thinks it's a good idea to go and study under a lamplight on a quiet footpath.
Mom, can I have my hiking shoes, please?
What on earth would you need hiking shoes for?
You'll see.
Yeah, you'll see. That's Lata and Gauri trying to climb that huge mountain of garbage. Well, I guess they were trying to look for a quiet, clean place to study. But they've climbed this huge mountain of garbage to study. Mountain of garbage? Is this for real? Yes, you bet it's for real. What can we do to do? What can we do to change this? Any suggestions? We need better library facilities. Yes, that's correct. We need better library facilities, schools for all, and free education. Stop and think about it. Don't stop now. There's a lot more. That boy just keeps drinking Coke. Someone should tell him something. Don't bother. Let his teeth fall off. Tell me something, members of the audience. Do you think it's good to drink so many cold drinks every day?
No.
This boy keeps drinking Coke. Is that right?
No.
Then what do you expect? Yes, what else to expect? There isn't any clean drinking water for anybody in this vicinity. All this talk of water has made me thirsty. And look, no water around. May I have some before this runs out too? Stop! Drinking irritated water is not the solution. Got a better idea? Yes. Let's all go out and vote. And maybe if we elect the right person, we can all get to quench our thirst and drink clean drinking water. Look at those two old men. They seem to be at least 100 years old. They are fighting. Are they? No, they're not fighting. They're trying to help each other climb the footpath. Maybe we should go help them. Oh yeah.
Oh my God. Here we go.
Isn't that just sad? Two old men trying to climb the footpath, but they can't. Why? Well, because there is no footpath. It's occupied by all the bhel puri walas, the pan walas, the dosa walas, and the list continues. Not just with stories of encroachment, the list continues. Let's see what's happening now in the city. Zor laga ke haiya, zor laga ke haiya, zor laga ke haiya. Arey bhai sahab, all this road digging has blocked all of the traffic. They've dug this road twice in 4 months.
They're trying to fix the drainage system before the monsoon. Must be at least 100 years old.
Oh yeah, and I bet they'll be back here in another 2 weeks to dig for something else.
Yes, we'll be back here next week in the same spot for electricity. And then for MBNL.
And the following week for the pipe gas.
When will all this digging stop? When will our drainage system work? When will anything work?
Hey, look what's going on over there. Is that a line for the toilet? Better library facilities, pavements, footbridges,
Working drainage system, clean water.
we need change.
We need change.
Repeat after us. We need change. We need change. We need change.
You all need to vote for a better tomorrow for all of us.
And remember, every vote counts. Please help us.
Yes.
Do you want a better future for ourselves?
Yes.
Jai Ho, let's vote. Jai Ho, let's vote. Jai Ho, let's vote. Jai Ho, let's vote. Jai Ho, let's vote.
आजा आजा हम सब वोट करें और इस देश को आगे लेके चले।
Jai Ho, let's vote. Jai Ho, let's vote.
मिलके एक नया कल बनाए हम और सच का हम सब साथ